manjumoriria Ndizi TV andonsia soberete na nechinga kichabe ngo kware ni SMS mangana maya eritumanyanga kyanyare ka watega kurume na isko ya Gusii kanoje cyaragire Chinsa Isano Ibere cyabono mubaso litko ni ria chumaine chitarikine 25 Motianyino yokana mwaka jirubere ne 23 ekero amanka genda tokorekana ime na isko ya Gusii county ya Nyamira litko lero na ribale na barama abarigani iba litko lya marelde gose litko liri konyorwa bitango kigose merobiriki yabekirwe likorwania oburwaire bwesosera gose malaria ekerondoche amuwasiri bo chenu no muwasiri bwegisemi baikira sensemeri injo kumanyi na ryagendeta sensemeyu yekrenyo boigo na rore buna board eri etenete kuri kaba kuri mirimo asi county ya Kisii nigo bono ba kiruisiko kubwatikana ni chikura janya chigwa kwa asamagajo yebunge ye county ya Kisii ayungati yali amange andete watika ime na isko ya Gusii ekerotroja sensemeri ya krifi libera litindera kwene kiwa ekerime meberende egendete kurusigwa sensemeri igoro yenganeri ya Bauru Mackenzie egendete kwa ba Kenya obwoba boigo kurwa senseri ya Sudani nigodroje buna borokiwa abali bari gosoma sense iyo nigo baruroro nande baikira sense yaito ya Kenya yungati yali na kwariganeria soko ya chutatu asijinse jiga karabali kibaito baleskali bagandete ko yasangere na ko yabekamo endo juganyora sobo ikirarwe koragense ya mokolenda aseboniga nenjereri yoko ya chuta na umanyana ali agandete korekana imena isko ya Gusii Joshua Auta nerto kubadana nera kurwa sense meri umulwe mayelyo ekarabiga irinyanja makwera kibuna agochire gwetera seriogi amone chibicha boikiranu eliane buna botambe Brighton Makori. Umuroberio gosomo yegabo korigereria ali abekirwe likurwani oborwaire bwesosera gose malaria nigo bono gendrete asensemo yekerenyo yere bunge ya Notmugrange county ya Nyamira azebono muwasiri bwabachenu Susan Nyakuminja anyarire kawe kasensemeyo amono muwasiri bwegiseme sekeri macho kawe kasensemeyo nigo banyara bakwariganwa no mugabana bwe county ya Nyamira Mosnyaribo amo no yotenene tamangana yobachenu gose CC as a county ya Nyamira Dr. Timothy Ombati digatorara kibanyara bawe kasensemeyo ekero job mangi boigara senseme ya ndate gutwariana ndia gutubatira roboti oru.
Yes. But what about safety of children in the house? I have this on the walls. The level is very clear. You have to report to the inside of your house. You have to take 3 hours for the inside to dry. Before now, the household members can get in the house. Okay. Yeah. Thank you.
Bono abe musie go sebunge ye county ya Kisii nigo ya Krisko body eliyedenete kuri kaba kuri meremase county ya Kisii bakwana litkolero magiga yoko baka isiko bakurabona naftali ngoba oyiboigo obeiro munyakero bobwe kamati eri yabwate bikaranzo ekero engane yo gose ekinege gatigu bosibwabo ekikiirege kasana gose barudenete Chinsa chintindi asensemeri obosoeli neri yale kwamereria mangana yo nigo bono abayemsi litkolya lero banyara bagwikirania na kubaka isikese bade abuna amamocho na aratoekanile buna body yo yakorete
Alitkolya lero abajumbe be county ya Kisii mbakachikura chiogo support omuswada olete tuwe bunge yokorusia a public service board as a office ntebenga after a committee yarigereirie a petition yarete tuna mestatika amagoso ali mestatika atebete a board elijaro kanteke bwata amagoso ao ligose limo okolika abantu chigasi without advertisement. Ligoso linde gokora promotions irregularly. Ligoso linde omochea with county public service board aga accept a contract akabere yere mamincha neri chiko Lichikoli gotebanga a member of the Public Service Board aserve 6 years non-renewable. Lakini eraga accept a contract ya kabere eyego chikomake aserve in that office for 8.5 years. So unanimously members batebring a body litigegendeka a body enyerikwe. Nekere body enyekorikwa. Igo tutayete gusaba umugabana barigereri kabisa bari baguchikorika abantu bari kubabwate integrity chapter 6 of the constitution. Na barabonye bagocha bago violate the constitution. Assembly gere macho ikiagera abana abajumbe bacyori n'abananchi korosya machiko na kuba oversight. Igo oversight yabonere bagokora nandi magendere gukora gwakikisha nge county yaito yasukire mutwe.
Kubwatekana nobotutukanu amo namangana mange aliagenderete gotogekana sensemeri ya Shakahora eyera sub county eri ya Kilifi ni gobono emebere eri egendete kurigwa sensemeyo ekero bari abayabi bagebaikira sensemeyo mo wasiri boboreni waime kiture kindiki nakagere gochigoika sensemeyo nere gochikorora ali agenderete sensemeyo tukuregoro ababisa abakorwa serikali mbaigeta sensemeyo ekero bari korawa ano Inspector General of Police Javet Kome ase na basi bateruna mangana ayuna agendete kurigereriwa bono ni gaba Kenya bange bandete goichana enganeye ningi Paulo Mackenzie oyo aligokorera enganeye ekerobono ya mochiwe no yino murai bwensi nanye mojeti abu litko ligoro gorendo chikote ngaki yagendera osemebiri nirengera toke asirituko lero asensemeyo ya Shakahora aine county eri ya Kilifi. Robono ni gotogosuka bosyo na kurigire na mukagerwa orio kageire wikirani oboiti bomwe MC okisa East Stephen Maroba ni golit kurigora nyarete ka wiki wa sekambero anekarakanete limocherio ekaraigeti bosi bomana chebi na Just Sofia Jirichi Jebet asebona kanete limocherio baigo bali basoyerete kinegyo nigo baburiti na tanyara gakuigorura ekiarese kuigorura ni garachi gotrobania obosaidi gose amangana ali arengete buna ni gasoereire na ni gaitete omwe MCA oyo.
I take note of the fact that the deceased was killed on the 1st of April 2023, and bail is not just about the party, about one party for proceedings, it's also about both parties. In view of the concerns raised about the security of the accused inter alia, I will order for a prepared report before I can make a ruling on the bail. So a prepared report to be prepared and filed within 14 days. Thereafter, I'll give directions on the ruling, because the parties, as far as I'm concerned, have already made submissions on the bail.
And my lady, if the accused person is released, whether now or later, we have to preserve his life so that we conclude to its logical conclusion with this matter when we are preserving his life. When we allow the members of the public to take the law into their hands, we will not have served justice for the deceased in this matter. That even if this matter is given a priority to be heard on a priority basis with the consecutive days, so that we are proceeding to its logical conclusion when the accused person is in custody, so that we preserve his life.
Umona jebi na monene Justin Martha Kaome ni gobono agokeire getambogero gya serikali egendete kuira kwene kibinanko sira barobo chenu as ensi yitu ya Kenya kwa na buri tukuregoro anena sinyagitari ya Kenyatta National Hospital se Kenyatta Teaching and Referral Hospital anekero umurubirio Cancer Center jagetigu asenseme uniga na bono nonye nabakori mirimo asebigambero nigo baraji konyoro bobweni asenseme yo maminje joko yana sinsisko erikorigi obobweni.
All employees in the judiciary scheme of service are now able to access a wellness package with an overnight stay in a private suite. You have seen the suites, Your Excellency, they look like a house. We have negotiated with our insurance providers and KUTRA to facilitate preventive healthcare procedures to detect early onset of cancer and other chronic diseases. This relationship has enhanced productivity in the judiciary and given our employees an opportunity to access high-quality health care without the need to travel outside the country. We engaged with the hospital upon realizing that our judges, judicial officers, and members of our staff had difficulties accessing early diagnostic services for cancer and other chronic conditions. By the time they went to India or other places for further treatment, it was often too late. We are glad that accessing diagnostic services through the cyber knife will now be part of this package.
Aze chinga keche chumra iwense oyo ochageti beno morobiri yumanekanda cyber knife asinyagitari ya Kenyatta University chinga Livaros probably tukulegoro nigateza bine serikali ya nigerengete gokinie birengo bya bachanu asense ya Kenya.
I have taken long hours, many hours, with my team at the health department to figure out how we are going to do this together with our counties to ensure that this time round we get it right. We have attempted universal health coverage twice, and we have not succeeded. I have told my team this time there is no chance for us to fail. We do not have the luxury to fail. And that is why we are having a paradigm shift on matters health. While we support the entire ecosystem of curative health, we have to reimagine and focus our attention this time round on preventive and promotive interventions as a way of minimizing cost and arresting situations at the earliest possible.
Amatuka mange karoto kwana chigosori abanta bange nigo bakumayana na mangana yengoyo hamo nokunianjuka kolenda yutalibo asirero asiskuru yabamura ya Kisii school niga gosori ya chase egenderede kominyo kigororo asensemo ya borokwa awakuru chiskuru awao bagenderede gokore gosori eyo asenseme yumuri kitu captain 001 no are asenseme yekerane dutware roboti konede gaturarora ngakia borokwa bagenderede gosukichinje asenseme yo. Kubatikana nubusagani bolibogendeta sinzi ya Sudani niga serikali ya Kenya inze ye wisala ya defense yaliganitia borokiwa bali bare gosoma senseme yo ekero baigete asinzi ta Kenya wetera sigeti kerigi chindega buri twegoro ekero umuwasiri of defense aikereta senseme yo oinade ndwale ekeraliganiti borokiwa buna kote abuna mero buri serikali ya bekire kwene kuna borokiwa bonsi bara sinzi ya Sudani ngocha bale oikomorembe oenekiwa sinzi yo ya Sudan.
From Sudan. To accomplish this task, a multi-agency team has been established to execute the evacuation exercise informed by a real-time assessment of the ever-changing security situation in Khartoum and in Sudan in general. We will continue to update the country as this process unfolds. I urge all Kenyans stranded in the Sudan and their families in Kenya to continue registering through the links shared by the State Department for Diaspora Affairs, through their social media accounts and the hotline telephone numbers. The first successful evacuation flight that has delivered 39 evacuees, of which 19 are Kenyans, 19 are from the Somali nationality, and one evacuee is from the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia.
Katibano ya boroki wa ubegeta sigeti ya Jomo Kenyatta International Airport ya burit kuri goro botko ni go batete na barabumbu ya bare na ndi bas bakirinya sana mbuya aso ikasense ya Kenya.
So there was a lot of shooting and a lot of bombing going for almost 24 hours, and we experienced power shortage and water shortage.
The situation there is very chaotic, and we thank God that we really were able to move out of it safely. No student was injured, and we came safely.
Ayubono na araringa Chinsa Isano Ibere chabono basokolende nyino na chikoroga Chinsa ikomi na reningirana ngote bina na aragenda te gokorekana imena isko ya usingo ko bona agenda ko bwati Ndizi TV na rubwan sumugusi anana simirobire ito ya credit kutosuka oisugusuka ni goreterwa mange ngokera manasi bali bonsi babwatera na kwene kuna manganaya agochira senjera yo bwenge asi Chinsa jiga Petrunda abgari yanchama nero ene kuna maliogi ne chibicha gochira senjera bene ekero twabwatera na Joshua Auta kwene kibuna okorete irwetera someone we manyererio na Brighton Makori.